Welcome to Soul Purpose Projects. I am Veena. Did you know that you have 3 brains, not just one? Our head brain governs logical thinking. Our heart brain governs our emotions, and gut brain governs intuition. Each has its own intelligence, and when they work together, we experience greater clarity, confidence, and alignment in life. By the end of this video, you will know the following. Firstly, what are the 3 brains and the science behind the mind, heart, and gut connection? Secondly, how these brains communicate, and you will understand their role in decision-making, intuition, and emotional health. Thirdly, you will learn some powerful practices to align your 3 brains. Let's explore the head brain. The head brain refers to cognitive intelligence known as thinking and logic. The head brain, located in the skull, is what we typically refer to as the brain. It is responsible for thinking, analysis, and logic, decision-making and problem-solving, storing and processing information, and controlling body functions through the nervous system. This brain helps us process the world through reason and intellect. But when disconnected from the heart and gut, decisions may become overly rational or lacking in emotional and intuitive depth. Why is the human heart referred to as the second brain? The human heart is more than just a pump circulating blood. It has its own intelligence. That is why it is referred to as the second brain. This concept is supported by both ancient wisdom and modern science. It highlights the heart's powerful influence on emotions, intuition, and overall well-being. The heart has unique intelligence. The heart possesses a complex network of neurons, neurotransmitters, and electrical signals, forming what scientists call the heart brain. This independent nervous system allows the heart to process information, make decisions, and even communicate with the brain. Research from the HeartMath Institute and neurocardiology experts shows that the heart sends more signals to the brain than the brain sends to the heart, affecting emotions, perception, and cognitive functions. Did you know that heart's electromagnetic field has emotional connection? The heart generates the largest electromagnetic field in the body, extending several feet beyond the physical body. This field is influenced by emotions, meaning that positive feelings like love, gratitude, and joy can enhance coherence in the heart's rhythm, leading to mental clarity and well-being. Conversely, stress and negative emotions can cause erratic heart rhythms, affecting overall health. Another interesting factor is that intuition plays a vital role in heart-brain communication. Many spiritual traditions and intuitive practices recognize the heart as a center of wisdom. Science supports this, showing that the heart often reacts to stimuli before the brain does, suggesting a role in intuitive decision-making. By tuning into the heart's wisdom, we can access deeper guidance aligned with our soul purpose. What we have learned so far is that aligning the heart and brain can improve emotional resilience, creativity, and inner peace. Here are some tips to follow. Firstly, include different breathing techniques such as heart-focused breathing by slowing the breath while focusing on the heart. Secondly, practice gratitude by cultivating appreciation to enhance heart coherence. Thirdly, practice meditation to strengthen the heart's intuitive capacity. By understanding the heart as the second brain, we unlock deeper levels of consciousness, emotional balance, and spiritual alignment. Now, let us talk about the third brain. Beyond digestion, the gut is a powerful center of intelligence. That is why it is called the third brain. Scientific research has revealed that the gut has its own complex nervous system, known as the enteric nervous system, which operates independently of the brain while communicating with both the heart and the mind. Ancient traditions have long emphasized the gut as a center of intuition, emotions, and vitality. The enteric nervous system contains over 100 million neurons, more than the spinal cord, and is responsible for regulating digestion, immune response, and neurotransmitter production. It communicates with the central nervous system and forms the gut-brain axis. You will be surprised to learn that one of the most fascinating discoveries in neuroscience is that about 90% of serotonin, the neurotransmitter responsible for happiness and emotional balance, is produced in the gut. The gut also produces dopamine and other key brain chemicals that influence mood, memory, and stress response. The gut, heart, and brain are deeply interconnected. When the gut is out of balance due to poor diet, stress, or toxins, it can lead to anxiety, depression, brain fog, and even heart irregularities. Conversely, a healthy gut enhances emotional stability, intuition, and overall vitality. Gut bacteria, known as the microbiome, play a crucial role in mental health. A diverse and balanced microbiome supports clear thinking, emotional resilience, and even spiritual connection. Some refer to this intelligence as the gut instinct, a deep, primal knowing that guides decision-making and survival. This brings us to an important point: how to activate the gut's wisdom, to harness the power of the gut as the third brain. Firstly, it is crucial to eat locally grown, whole nourishing foods, a diet rich in fiber, fermented foods, and prebiotics supports a balanced microbiome. Secondly, practice mindful eating. When sitting to eat your food, just be present in the moment. Mindfully chewing the food strengthens digestion and gut-brain communication. Secondly, manage stress and emotions. Stress directly impacts gut health, so include meditation, breath work, and energy healing practices in your daily routine. Start with one practice, start today. Thirdly, listen to your gut instincts. Trusting inner wisdom enhances alignment with one's sole purpose. By now, it must have become clear that by caring for our gut, we not only improve physical health, but also sharpen intuition, enhance emotional well-being, and strengthen our connection to higher consciousness. The gut, like the heart and brain, plays a crucial role in guiding us toward an authentic and aligned life. Now let us talk about how these three brains are connected. The brain, heart, and gut are interconnected through the vagus nerve, a vital communication pathway that allows constant signaling between these centers. When functioning harmoniously, these three brains create coherence and a state of balance among logic, emotions, and intuition. We experience vibrant health and energy, reduced stress, better digestion, and a sense of overall well-being. In conclusion, when we integrate all three brains, we live with greater wisdom, emotional depth, and intuitive power, allowing us to make aligned choices and live authentically. Take your time to process the information shared in this video. If the content of this video resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Visit soulpurposeprojects.com. You may book a session or email me. Namaste.